If you are working hard, delivering results, but still not making the money that you need, your pricing is the problem and it's time to fix it. Give me a few minutes and I'll walk you through why you're undercharging and how to start pricing for the transformation that you actually deliver so that you can finally build a profitable business. And if you want support with this, join my free 10-day Safe to be Seen journey, because you can't charge what you're worth if you're not safe being seen as someone who charges premium prices, and will help you regulate your nervous system around money and visibility. Okay, I'm Rosalie, the creator of The Graceful Closer, and I help service providers, business leaders, coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs master the inner game of selling, including how to price confidently for profit and transformation instead of staying stuck in the broke expert trap. Here's what you really want. You want clients to see the value in what you do and to pay accordingly without you having to justify or to discount your rates. But here's what's probably happening. You're keeping your prices low because you're afraid. You're afraid that if you raise them, no one will buy. You're afraid that people will judge you. You're afraid that you're not worth it yet. So you look at what everyone else is charging and price yourself similarly or even lower just to be competitive. And you end up exhausted, overworked, and underpaid while still delivering incredible results. Here's what actually works. Instead of copying other people's prices or letting fear decide your rates, you price based on transformation and profit, and you build the confidence to hold that number without apology. Because when you price for the transformation you create and the business that you're building, you attract better clients, you deliver better results, and actually make money. Low prices don't make you accessible, they make you broke. So, how do you actually do this? Well, the first step is that you calculate what you actually need to earn. Most people price based on feelings and guesses, and you have to stop doing that. Sit down and do the actual math. How much do you need to make per month to cover your business expenses, to pay yourself properly, to save for taxes, and to have profit left over? Let's say that you need to make 10,000 a month and you can realistically serve 5 clients at a time. That means that each client needs to be paying you 2,000 minimum. And that's not greedy, that's just math. If your current prices don't add up to a profitable business, they are wrong, period. Your prices need to support the business that you're trying to build, not just barely keep you afloat. This isn't about what feels comfortable, it's about what's sustainable. Okay, the second step is to price for transformation, not time. Here's where most people mess it up. They price based on the hours or on sessions. And it's 4 calls, so I'll charge this much. Wrong approach. Your clients aren't buying your time, they're buying a result. So ask yourself, what does this person's life look like after working with me? Are they making more money? Are they saving their relationship? Are they finally getting visible? Are they rescuing their health? Building confidence, getting their health back, right? That wants the transformation work to them. And if someone comes to you stuck at 3,000 a month, for example, and you help them get to 10,000 a month, that's an extra 7,000 monthly or 84,000 a year. And you're charging 500, that makes absolutely no sense. So when you help someone make more money, save their marriage, or change their life, your prices should reflect the magnitude of the change, not how many hours you spend with them. Charge for the outcome, charge for the transformation. That's where your value lives. Also, I can confidently tell you that when you charge more, you end up attracting clients that are really hungry for the transformation, but are also willing to do the work because the stakes are high, because the investment is high, versus having clients who are paying a low ticket and are very inconsistent or occasionally really don't do the work. All right, step number 3 is to communicate the transformation clearly and to hold your price. Here's the final piece. You need to articulate the transformation that you create. When you talk about your offer, don't just list what's included. Say things like, after working together, you'll have the confidence to show up on sales calls and close consistently, right? That's, for example, what I would say. Or you'll go from winging your content to having a clear strategy that attracts high ticket clients. Or you'll finally feel calm in your body instead of anxious all the time. Paint the picture of what changes. Make them feel the difference. Then, when you say your prices, don't apologize. Don't offer a discount before they ask. Just say the investment and stop talking. Your confidence in your pricing tells them this is worth it and I know what I deliver. If you waver, they waver. If you're solid, they trust you. The people who are scared off by your higher prices, they weren't your ideal clients anyway. The right people, the ones ready for transformation, they'll find a way. So if you're ready to stop undercharging and start pricing for profit, comment the word safe below and I'll send you a link to join the 10-day Safe to be Seen free journey. You'll get daily practices, tools that will help you feel safe being visible as someone who charges premium prices, so you can state your rates with confidence, hold your ground during objections, and stop discounting out of fear or imposter syndrome. I'll train your nervous system to believe that you're worth it so your clients can believe it too. And let's do this together.